Hello again, this is Joseph at FuelTraderMentorLive.com. Let's review the 22nd of February. We're looking at the heating oil chart, April 08. Here we have yesterday's activity in this block here with the DOE report that came out showing a larger draw. We did have two short signals that were coming in, which I did not take because of the gap opening and the DOE coming out. So I wanted to see what the DOE report did first. So we had some activity. It did come down to the support line at 270, and we did have a short working. I wanted to get short below this pivot area here yesterday or today to finish getting this window filled. And so this morning I had a sell order to get filled below this pivot window. This pivot here did not get it. The market opened up a gap up, which these gaps love to get filled. And market stalled here on the opening gap, did trade back through the window, did trade down to the 270 support line, so that window was closed, and we did bounce off the 270, move back up. I was hoping for the market to go back up to 275 area because I would get another short signal come in, which I did. Had a short signal come in on this bar. So I have a sell stop to get short to heat below this bar, which I did not get. We got close here but did not get there. So as for Monday, I've got an order sitting here open. I'm hoping to get filled Monday on a short. The market wants to come down here and get short and possibly get back to 270 would be a good area to take a profit on one, or to get in this window and make some better gains if this window wants to be completely filled. So we have a short open on the April heating oil. Let me pull in the RBOB chart. This is April RBOB. Kind of the same scenario. Yesterday was the DOE report. We did show a build of 1 million barrels in gas, which was bearish. Suspect the market to come down. Before the report, we did gap open, so we do have an opening gap in April RBOB from the 21st. This still needs to be filled. The market tried to come up and fill it but did not do it, and we traded down for the rest of the day. I did have a short signal that came in from the day before, but I don't like to take shorts or buys on gaps because the gap could get filled and my stop loss will be bigger, so I bypassed that trade. Would like to have seen gas revisit this high and short it, but it just never did. We traded down for the rest of the day. Made a low here around 264. Came back up. Let me get this moving average out of the way. So this morning I had a sale order to short to April RBOB below this low of yesterday. And we did just have a nice opening. We traded down. I did get filled on 2. And had a PT for around 2 cents between 261 and 262 for one contract. We did not get there. RBOB would probably like to come down, but heating oil was just too strong today. I do have a opening gap from the 14th that still needs to be filled down here around 256, 255. So gas could still come down here to this area and fill that window, but it did not. Now right behind this short, which I do like to have a buy signal setting up on a short, which came in right behind it. I'd rather have made my limit order first and close one for a profit, then the buy order come in. That just did not happen today. Anyway, I had a stop and reverse. I had a buy signal come in, had a stop and reverse on this bar here, so we lost about a penny 8 on 2 contracts on stop and reverse. I did get long to April heat. Had a profit target for 2 cents right between 267 and 268, which is right below this last pivot high, which is a good area to take profits. We did get the 2 cents on one. The market stalled here for about 30 minutes. The remaining contract had a stop at break even for the remaining contract right in this area. Market tried to visit. It visited 266 and stalled right there. And for the remainder of the day, just congested, and we closed up a little bit higher. Well, about dead even from yesterday's. Now I do have this opening window from yesterday's activity. of a gap, so the market will either come to this area to fill this window or come down here to fill this window. I am long. We are long. It'd be great for Monday to trade open and take us higher so we could gain some cents here in this area and make some money on our last remaining lot. But that's it for Friday the 22nd. We will see you Monday. Please visit FuelTraderMentorLive.com for more details, free trade crawls, and love to have your comments and love to see you visit our site. Talk to you Monday.